30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Randy Cycle today with 2023 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. 349cc, single cylinder engine, 20 brake horsepower, 20 foot-pounds of torque, and 421 pounds wet weight. Not bad at all. And I mean, what is it, $4,899? Something like that. I mean, you got a foot forward riding position, single disc up front, single disc rear, chain drive, dual spring shocks in the back, with preload, non-adjustable front, and very approachable. I mean, the seat height is, I'm 5'9". Oh, is this a heel shifter? It does. It has a heel shifter. Huh, that's cool. There's that single. Let's go out on the road and see what it's like to ride it. So, first impressions. This seat is pretty comfy. Nice and wide. Handlebars are also in a really comfortable spot. I suppose this bike is maybe targeting the cruiser market in a way. I mean, it's got more of a stance with that foot forward position, a little bit more of a cruiser stance. I like this, actually. Get around town kind of bike. There's 5th gear. Man, this bike is not super fast. I mean, like I said, it's 20 brake horsepower. So it's not going to set the world on fire. Don't expect this thing to go super fast. But comfort-wise, yeah, this is really nice. The riding position on this bike is very, very comfortable. And the suspension, for what it is also very nice. I mean, Royal Enfield's been around for so long, making the same bike day after day, that the interesting thing is they're making strides towards a little bit more modern, a little bit more updated, but it's baby steps, you know, because they're still making, I mean, horsepower wise, torque wise, you know, all that good jazz. It's not fast. It's not built for that. Even the Continental GT or the INT 650, they're not fast, you know, but they're very good bikes for what they are. They're very good. There's nothing wrong with this bike. It's it's comfortable. It's easy to ride. It's not even that heavy. You know, riding a bike like this, where my legs are, a quick shifter is not generally my first thought, or a heel shifter is not generally my first thought. But it works on this bike. It'd be interesting to see the 0 to 60 on this, because I'm full throttle and I haven't even reached 75 yet. It's slowing down because it's going up a hill. I'm gonna have to slow down. Car in the way. Man, for a cruising bike, good lord, this is really good. My wife likes this bike actually. She likes the look of it. And I can't say I blame her. It's got a very nice look to it. This bike is really fun, really enjoyable. Just to cruise, just to enjoy the scenery. I mean, look at this. I'm out in the country, these beautiful houses and trees, and on a bike like this, you can enjoy it, you can appreciate it. But on a bike like this, I really can't go much faster than the speed limit, so I have time to just enjoy it, and that's beautiful. It's not just the fact you can full throttle a, slow bike, and it's the fact that you do have time. You can enjoy the ride. God, this is just such an enjoyable thing to ride. Just sitting back, just cruise. Man. Three, two, one. Missed the shift again. Come on, 60. Come on, 60. 60. Gotta lean into that corner. It barely made it to 60. And I was pinned full throttle. I was pinned. I messed up the upshift, but it's okay. It's okay. Good girl. Good girl. You did fine. It doesn't, I mean, like I said before, you don't need it to go much faster than this. I mean, come on. This bike's just style and class. Honestly, this is just style and class to me. This bike is really nice. I like this bike a lot. Easy neutral. Oh, kickstand's pretty stiff. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. 2023 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Like I said, this bike is really sweet. I like it. I like it. It's quite enjoyable. It really is. It's quite enjoyable. You don't need a lot of power to enjoy motorcycling. Just need a good bike. And this is a good bike. Alright, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Check out Randy's Cycles. They really love their riders and they want people to ride. So let them know that we sent you. Alright, everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.
So turn your back.